Which of the following is not a career path in data science? What is the primary focus of descriptive analytics? How does data science contribute to improving transportation systems? What is one of the challenges in handling big data? How does data science impact social media platforms? Which of the following is not a step in the data science process? What is the primary objective of data science in the field of cybersecurity? Which industry does not heavily rely on data science for decision-making? What is one way data science contributes to environmental sustainability? How can data science help in improving sports performance?